Now let's move on to the third exercise of this chapter, where we are going to discuss short questions and answers. The first question is, why didn't the old man follow the advice of the doctors? The answer is, the old man did not follow the advice of the doctors because he was the sole breadwinner of his family, who had to raise a family of 5 children. Since he could not afford to take rest, he did not lose hope and determination. He struggled to regain his lost energy and prove the doctors wrong. The second question is, what had the doctors told the old man? The answer is, the old man had visited many doctors, all of whom had advised him to avoid long walks and take rest. Due to his heart disease, they had suggested him to spend the remaining days of his life with his family. The third question is, where did the old man take his son? The old man took his son to the top of the mountain because he wanted to show him the piece of land he had plowed and harvested after clearing the trees and burning the bush. He wanted his son to see the fruit of his toil. The fourth question is, had the son ever been there before? The answer is, the son had visited the place several times with his parents. However, he had not been there for the last 3 years. The fifth question is, what were the names of the vegetables the old man grew on his farm? The answer is, the vegetables that the old man had grown on his farm were yams, tomatoes, and potatoes. He had also raised corn, beans, and pumpkins over there before. The sixth question is, why did the old man take the steep path? The answer is, the old man preferred to take the steep path in order to remain physically fit and restore his healthy spirits back. He was unable to climb straight initially, but as he continued to get better, he started taking steeper paths. The seventh question is, why did the son at the age of 6 cry? The answer is, the son had cried at the age of 6 because he had lost the little wooden plow in the fields, which he was fond of. He continued to cry until his father made him another one, but he never liked it as much. The eighth question is, what were the feelings of the old man at the age of 70? The answer is that at the age of 70, the old man enjoyed having a healthy spirit and contented mind. He was proud of the fact that he had defeated death all his time and proved the doctors wrong. He had a sense of achievement which he had earned through a lot of hard work. The ninth question is, why had the old man planted his secret garden? The answer is, the old man had planted his secret garden because he believed that anything grown in that land would taste better. Moreover, he wanted to remain active and relish a sense of achievement by the fruit of his labor. So here we are done with our third exercise as well. Now let's move on to the fourth exercise, where we are going to discuss long questions and answers.